Good morning, beautiful pond lovers. Have we got a day for you? Hopefully I'll be able to do loads of filming, but you remember the Peterborough Koi Club invited Stoke-On-Trent Koi Club down, and we saw 6 ponds in one day. Well, today we are going up to Stoke-On-Trent to see all their lovely ponds. I believe they've got 5 ponds planned for us, so yeah, should be an absolute awesome day. I will try and get as much footage as I physically can. Should be a good day. They've got some fantastic ponds they've been telling us about, so I will snap back to you all once we all get to Stoke-On-Trent. I think there's 6 or 7 of us going up there from the Peterborough Koi Club because of commitments and other things. Not everyone could make the whole day, so yeah, snap back to you when I get there. So we're here at our first pond. This is Neil's pond, the chairman of the Stoke-On-Trent Club. Now, I don't know how much footage I'm going to get today because I didn't bring my battery bank and my phone's not fully charged, but we will certainly have a look at all the ponds anyway. So first pond, I'm in the way. So this is Neil's pond.
Thank you. You can serve me again calling me a young man.
It's run on the oase drum, which is in the little filter house at the back there. We'll go and have a look at that in a minute. Got Bakki shower, same size as mine. Absolutely, mind your own business on it. Has done aligned in this year compared to mine. Down here we've got big window with some cracking fishies. Absolutely stunning fishies in there. As you can see, if I get my hand out of the way, run on a bottom drain. Oh, and a flash for the camera. Yeah, some stunning fish. Oase drum, same size as mine. Little skimmer there, floating ring on it just to stop all the food that they've just had going down the skimmer. Fantastic idea. Got some fantastic bonsais in the garden as well. Got some privet. Got apple there, and I believe crab apple, I think that one. Larch. It's a sojo maple, juniper, another couple of maples, and a white pine. Yeah, lovely bonsais. And we've all been treated with egg, bacon, sausage, mushroom, you name it, we've had it, rolls and whatnot. And then that's the pond from back here with some of the Peterborough Koi Club members having a look. Another little window on that side as well. Absolutely beautiful little pond. So we're here at the next pond. This is Keith's pond. Now we're going to start a bit backwards this time. We're going in the filter house. Sunset Koi. Absolutely crackingly big, massive filter house. So run on the Burton's drum. 3-tier Bakki shower. Everything's neat and tidy. Using gas line for his air, I like that. But there is one thing about this drum system that I really like, and it's down the other end, and I'll show you that in a minute. But everything's all nice, neat and tidy. And on 2 20,000s. But yeah, what I like about this, come up with an ingenious way. I don't know if anyone else would have ever thought of this, but this is his bottom drain line, obviously going into the middle of the drum, and he was like, oh, I haven't put a purge line in. So what he's done, this line is going straight to waste. So what he does, waxes pumps up full, opens that to waste, and that then forces that line obviously to go super fast and purge the bottom drain straight into the drum. Fantastic idea. So if you've got a spare outlet of your drum that you're not using and you ain't got a purge line, send that to waste, because that will, just by turning that on even without opening your pump, that's going to probably double the flow of water then coming through there for however long you got it open for. Cracking idea. But Burton's drum, he said we can have a quick peek, so big old combi drum, plenty of bio in there, absolutely brilliant. So then as we come out of the filter house, we're then greeted by an absolutely stunning pond. Big jumbo sized timber pergola over the top. I love the brickwork, very, very nice. And then some absolutely cracking fish. So all the fish are down the other end, so let's go up the other end. Fantastic goshkis, 3 lovely goshkis in here.
Steve, we said it was Steve, but we said it's blonde-haired lady.
Nice Jimmy Chad. Kajakis. That'll achieve it. Very nice.
So that's why I couldn't think of it was.
Yeah. We said it was absolutely stunning pond. All his artwork at the back. Beautiful. JBL feeder as well. So yeah, another lovely pond. So I'll snap back to you all when we get to the next one. So we've arrived at the next pond, all had our lovely cake, homemade, loved it. And right, a lovely, beautiful, cute little pond. Let's spin you around and show you what we see. Uber thick slabs and walls. This pond certainly ain't going anywhere. Some monsters in here. Got some sort of 70 and 80 centimetre fish. All hiding behind the bubbles at the minute. Not many fish in here. But, yeah, there is one real small one somewhere, but he keeps hiding. Oh, there he is. Gorgeous little Orchiba. There he goes. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, filter house is down there behind the bonsais. Nice shallow filter house. Lovely scenery. Let's get a wide view. There you go. So you've got the bit at the top here to look down at the pond, straight out of the conservatory. And you can look down at the fishies, or you can stand at the side of the pond like the rest of us, about 80 odd cm high, I would say. And then down a few more steps to our lovely bottom of the garden. And you can see all their beautiful ace bonsais and beach bonsais and everything down there. And then we've got a little filter house. So we've got a beast of a protein skimmer there. Not seen one of those ones before, but that is awesome. And then through door number 2 is a UV. Although it is all one unit, there's 3 different doors to get to, so it's nice easy access for your controllers and what's it. And then through door number 3 is your big old Nexus 200. Looking at it, I would believe the roof does come up if needed, but yeah, lovely little fill. Yeah, absolutely another fantastic pond. Massive shout out again to the Stoke-On-Trent Koi Club. So we've got a couple more ponds I believe to see today. So on that note, I will snap back to you at the next one. Oh, raffle time! So here we are, pond number 4. Absolutely gorgeous, lovely pond. Again, I'll take you out in a minute. We're in the filter house, as you can tell. But this has got to be the cleanest filter house I have ever seen. Obviously, it's all PVC cladded. Not a speck of dirt or cobweb anywhere. The floor, as you can probably tell by the mop bucket, is bleach cleaned. And it smells so clean in here. We're on the big old Nexus. Which one have we got here? I'm not too sure. I think it's the 220 maybe. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. full of media. Got some multicoloured media in there. I don't know what that is. Very nice, very nice. Big old vortex. EA vari pump, EA air pump down there as well. All nice, neat and tidy. Got all his cupboards and everything down there. Absolutely spot on. And then when we step out here, it's a wooden frame on the outside, plastic cladded on the inside. And if I spin you around again, got a big plastic box on the outside, the Gola. Little air source heat pump as well. Most of the ponds we've been to today didn't show it, but are all air sourced up as well. But if we walk round onto a lovely no maintenance garden, inside here, just carefully get down the steps without falling over. We've all had lovely cream teas and cakes and coffees and teas and everything else. And here we have some absolutely, again, amazing fish. A huge, I'd say 1.2 metre blade. Everything. Let me get you a wider view. Make sure I don't fall over. A lot of steps in this garden. Lovely big jump guards. Absolutely amazing pond. Let's go down the bottom and we'll have a bottom look. Absolutely beautiful. Some cracking fish in there. It's a real lovely coloured shag. It's not really coming out on camera, but it's almost a sorghum. A real sort of grey, almost grey chagoy. Yeah. Lovely place, absolutely fantastic. So again, thank you for all having us, and we will catch you at the last one. Got some real unusual fish in here as well. Got an almost Matsuba type looking Goromo there. Goromo with an Asagi kind of pattern on the back. Very cool. Real nice big chunky Shisui. Mark would love that one. And an absolutely gorgeous Kahaki. Look at that. Stunning fish. So we're at the last pond of the day before we start heading home, and this is a pond. I don't know if the camera's going to do this justice. 8 foot deep, 45,000 litres, absolute monster. Let me spin you around. And there we have it. It is huge. 8 foot deep down at the bottom, if you can see it. The air's just coming back on. Took nearly a minute to rise. Yeah, look at this Asagi. That Asagi is around 26 years old and still looks mint. Absolutely mint. This pond used to be in ground, which is why it's 8 foot deep, but the gentleman decided he wanted a couple of little windows, which there's a window just here and a little window just there, and yeah, so raised it up a bit. Got one of the returns under the mind your own business over there near the JBL feeder. Skimmer down this end, lovely shape, teardrop shape, very narrow entrance over there. We'll get a view from this side in a minute. It's an absolutely lovely pond and garden. Not too sure how many fish is in here because he's had the pond for 26 years and hasn't kept count. Lose one, put some more in, as you do. It's yeah, lovely filter house. 2 bottom drains, a Nexus 320 for each, or 300, whichever ones they are, old ones, new ones. Does have a little grow on, but not currently in use. Empty at the minute, but yeah, absolutely fantastic filter system. Big old pumps, I can't remember what they're called, but they're really old, big, powerful majiggers down there. Couple of big Pro Clear UVs glowing away. Lovely setup. Massive L-shaped filter house. Again, we'll have a look at the filter house from the outside. It's huge, but then if you've got two of these in here, it kind of needs to be, doesn't it? Absolutely massive. But got 4 air pumps on the go and a spare one. Beast of a system. Absolutely massive, and as you can see, it's a lovely big garden. It goes right down to that brick building over there as well. That's all the same garden, but filter house is a big L shape. But yeah, the pond itself, 45,000 litres of just beautifulness. That's a real stunning fish. Bit of a side view. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I've got the teardrop down here. It spreads wide. Posing for us at the window. Absolutely beautiful. Mind your own business is doing well. Better than mine's done this year. But yeah. So we've all had a great day. I'd say a lot of the Peterborough Koi Club members have come down. Some of obviously the Stoke-On-Trent Koi Club members here as well. So yeah, it's been a great day. So on that note, guys, I'll catch you all in a bizzle.